In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start at the home page of your Odoo account. Once you have that open, we'll be navigating through your settings. Next, click on the Settings option. This is where most of your customization takes place, including language preferences. If you're following along, just click that Settings tab. After you've accessed the settings, look for the Languages option. This is crucial because it allows you to manage different language preferences for your Odoo account. Simply click on Languages, and you'll see a few options related to language management. Now, let's move on to adding new languages. Click on Add Languages. This will open up a list or a search bar where you can find the language you'd like to include. It's as simple as scrolling through or typing in the name if you know it. Once you've found the language you want to add, simply click on it to select it. After selecting, look for the Add button and click it. This confirms your choice and adds that language to your settings. After you've added your new language, you'll see it listed in your settings. Now, to apply these changes to your website settings, head over to the Website Settings, which should be located in the same tab on the top left corner. In the Website Settings menu, notice that there's an option related to the language preferences of your website visitors. It states something like, website visitors see the version matching their browser language or the default if unavailable. You'll need to add your newly selected language here as well. Once you've entered your language preference, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial because it finalizes your changes, and without saving, they won't take effect. Now that your language settings are complete in the application, let's navigate back to the main Odoo dashboard. From the Home tab, find and click on the Website section. You'll then need to click on Edit. This is where we will apply your language changes to the website's theme. After clicking Edit, look for the theme settings. Under Language Options, just like before, add in your chosen language and again, hit the Add button. Finally, once you've completed these steps, navigate to your website to see the changes in action. Your site's language should reflect the new setting you've just applied. And just like that, you're all set. If you followed along with these steps, congratulations on successfully changing the language in Odoo. Don't forget to revisit your settings if you need to make further adjustments. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy Odooing!